It's open. Cultus Lake Adventure Park is open. Let's go have some fun. Somehow we got stuck on this crazy ride again. What? But this time we're in the front row. This is not right. Front row? I thought we did this ride already. Yikes. It's not scary, is it? No, she says it's not scary, so nothing to worry about. Nothing to see here. Nice scenic view. Nothing to worry about. Ah, there we go. Oh, we're going up. Hey, if you look over there, you'll see the Cultus Lake Water Park. Excellent water park. We've been there, had a lot of fun. Well, the roundup is going. That's a crazy ride. Yep. And here we go. Oh, look, they're about to drop from the sky. And hold on, what's going on here? What's going on? Roundup. Hey, let's go. Hold on. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So that was fun. Oh, hold on. We're not stopping. We're not stopping. Oh no. We're going again. But, hey, that's Roundup. Yeah, they won't let me take the GoPro on that one. I wonder why. What's going on here? All right. That's Cultus Lake Water Park. I like that. No, not again. Not again. Not again. Please, no. Hey, oh, look, Roundup. Oh, no. Oh, hey, look, barrel roll. Oh, we're going to do that one next. Hey, if you guys want to see the barrel roll, we're going to do that one next, so stay tuned. That was not bad. That's pretty cool. Very fun. Yay! Ta-da! And that was that, guys.
Awesome, thanks for riding, guys.
Woohoo!
Exit to your left is right when you lose the warning.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so we can see that barrel one, okay? See you soon.